What if you could flip a switch, and each time you did, there was a 50% chance you'd die? Now imagine you flip it. Nothing happens. You flip it. Again. Still alive. You keep flipping. Again and again. You never die. Sounds impossible. But in the world of quantum physics, this isn't just a fantasy. It's called quantum suicide. And it just might be the weirdest glitch in reality. The idea is based on a strange truth in quantum mechanics. Particles exist in a state of superposition, not here or there, but both until observed. But what happens when you are the one entangled in that quantum event? That's where this gets disturbing. Let's break it down. Imagine you build a machine. Every time you press a button, it flips a quantum coin. If it's heads, you live. Tails, you don't. To everyone outside the room, it's a 50/50th chance. They might find you alive or not, but from your perspective, you're always the one who makes it. Every time you press the button, you wake up in the version of the universe where you survived. This isn't magic. At the heart of this is quantum randomness, the kind of randomness used in cloud chambers and radioactive decay experiments. Physicists rely on it to test the nature of subatomic particles. It's real. It's unpredictable, and it governs everything from how stars burn to how your GPS works. But quantum suicide asks a haunting question. What happens when you make yourself part of the experiment? Here's where it gets mind-bending. According to the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, every possible outcome of a quantum event actually happens, but in a different branch of the universe. So when you press that button, there's a universe where you didn't make it, and another where you did, and another, infinite versions of you, playing out every possibility. From your point of view, the conscious one, you only experience the versions where you survive. No matter how unlikely, no matter how close, you keep living. In theory, you could never die. Everyone else might watch you vanish. But from inside your mind, the story continues. That's what physicists call quantum immortality. Now here's the twist. Quantum events like this are being used right now, in real life. Quantum computers process information using superposition and entanglement. Quantum encryption uses measurement to detect eavesdropping. Your phone, your bank, your future is starting to rely on quantum weirdness. We're not just observing it, we're engineering it. But what does all this say about you? About consciousness? Are you just a passenger in the universe? Or the reason certain branches of reality stay alive? If death is just one path, and life always continues in another branch, what does death even mean anymore? What is reality? If you only ever experience the timelines where you survive, is quantum suicide just a thought experiment, or a terrifying hint that reality is not as final as we think? That life might be a tunnel with no end, not because we're immortal, but because the universe refuses to let us go. This is beyond Newton, where death might be an illusion, and survival just a shift in reality.